Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 21, problem number 60 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem asks us what reagents would be needed to convert each of these starting materials that were given into 2-butanone. And so I've gone ahead and drawn out ahead of time each of the starting materials and 2-butanone on the other side of the arrow for each. And so we'll just go through one at a time and talk about the reagents that we need. So we have 2-butanol, and we need 2-butanone. So we just need to oxidize the alcohol. So PCC is a suitable oxidant for that. So PCC will oxidize that alcohol up to the ketone. So that's A. So then for B, we have the acid chloride. And so we need to add a methyl group, really, or replace that chloride with a methyl group. And so one way that we could do that is to use CH3 CuLi, so the copper lithium, the lithium cuprate. So that's going to do a Grignard-esque reaction and add one of those methyl groups in place of the chlorine there. So then for C, we have essentially the same problem, just with one methyl group shifted. So instead of CH3 it's just going to be CH3 CH2 2. So CH3 CH2 in the parentheses. I'm actually going to go ahead and move this over so that I don't have to, so that I have plenty of room, rather. Right. Okay. There we go. That should be a little better. So CH3, CH2, 2, copper lithium again. Sorry. So there we go. So again, very similar to B. We've just moved a methyl group really from one side to the other. And then D and E also use exactly the same reagents as each other. So we're going to use water, sulfuric acid, and mercury sulfate. And so to an alkyne, that's going to convert an alkyne to a ketone. And so we have a terminal alkyne and an interior alkyne, and it's actually going to work for both of them to install that ketone at the 2 position. Right, so the same reagents in D as in E. Yeah, and so that's how you do each of these. The only real way to approach this problem is to know your reagents and what they do, and apply them as necessary. And that's the answer to Chapter 21, problem number 60.